In this case, we have two co-defendants who will name this defendant as the shooter, as one of the shooters in this case. A man named Damion Clayton, known as Petey, was gunned down on a Little League baseball field. He was shot multiple times. The two suspects fled. We have witnesses that, like I said, two of the co-defendants charged in this case will name this defendant as one of the shooters. We have witnesses that will identify picking this defendant up right near the ball field just minutes afterwards, contradicting the defendant's statement that he gave that he was at a carnival that entire night. We have also, Your Honor, for gang-like activity, we have him associating with a group. Definition of whether or not is it a street gang, that's for the jury to decide. But we have images that we have taken from the defendant's Twitter account that I'll be glad to share with the defense counsel right now. That will be made part of the discovery. Of the defendant claiming throwing up gang hand signals consistent with gang activity, claiming representation in this group, making comments about firearms on his Twitter account that we have verified and have sent. I don't mean to try and try the case, but it doesn't get any more serious than murder. As I said, we retrieved these off his Twitter account, where he is claiming that he is an OG in this group for Original Gangster, throwing up signs consistent with what our gang expert will testify are a gang, quoting things like, "I hope all my enemies disappear," quoting things such as, "No hesitation, bang, 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 love them gun sounds, them streets weren't made for everybody." Ladies, Your Honor, he is a danger to the community, and I think he needs to be held pretrial confinement without a bond.
This young man, there's no telling when this case is going to go to trial. He just got through saying that he got to try two other co-defendants first. This young man, Your Honor, needs to be back in school. He can go to alternative school to begin with. It's under school procedure. He's going to have to go to alternative school for a while, then he can get back in school, Your Honor. He's in an honors program. He's progressing in his life like he should. This situation obviously is going to have to be dealt with, Your Honor. We're not trying to say in any way to diminish the life of Mr. Clayton. We understand that, Your Honor. But this defendant is presumed innocent in each and every stage of the proceedings. And to make him stay probably in jail for another, it'll be probably a total of a year or more than a year. Around here, look, some people stay in jail a couple of years before they get tried. In other words, to have pretrial punishment before the man's even convicted, Your Honor, we've demonstrated we believe that he's not a flight risk, that it's not likely that he's going to commit any crime because there's no evidence that he has, Your Honor. He's in the honors program. He didn't have time to be in a gang. He's got an 87 in physics. I don't think I could do that, frankly. And then the state jumps on, because of the fervor down here of the gang, the anti-gang stuff, they re-indict him. He's in a little group called F-Life. You heard the lady talk about it. They have it at her house. It's not a gang. It's a group of kids. Maybe it's an anti-gang, if anything, Your Honor. And anyway, I believe the young man, he's been here since February, that he needs to get out. And whatever requirements the court deems necessary, electronic monitoring, curfew, whatever the court would impose, Your Honor. Thank you very much.